How to create a new partition, D drive, from C drive in Windows. Hey everyone, and welcome to the NAW32 Nisoazmi channel. Did you just get a brand new Windows laptop or PC? If so, you've probably noticed that everything is on one single drive, the C drive. Having just one partition can get messy fast. Your important documents, photos, and games are all mixed in with your Windows system files, but don't worry, there's a simple and safe way to organize this. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to split your C drive to create a new partition, like a D drive, for all your personal files. The best part, we're going to use a free built-in Windows tool called Disk Management. No extra software needed. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Disk Management. Alright, the first thing we need to do is open Disk Management. It sounds technical, but it's super easy to find. Just move your mouse down to the Windows Start button, right, click on it, and a menu will pop up. From this menu, find and click on Disk Management. Give it a second to load and you'll see a window that shows all the drives connected to your computer. You'll probably see your C drive represented as a big blue bar. Our goal is to take some of the free space from our C drive and turn it into a new drive. To do this, we need to shrink the C drive. This sounds scary, but it's perfectly safe and won't delete any of your files. In the Disk Management window, find your C drive, right-click on it, and from the menu select Shrink Volume. A new window will pop up. Now, this part is important but simple. It asks you for the amount of space to shrink in megabyte. This is how big your new drive will be. Remember, 1 gigabyte is 1024 megabytes. Type that number into the box. For example, if I'm going to make a 100 gigabyte partition, so I'll type in 102,400. If I'm going to make a 200 gigabyte partition, so I'll type in 104,800, and so on. Once you've entered the amount, go ahead and click the Shrink button. Windows will work its magic for a moment, and then you'll see a new black bar appear labeled Unallocated. This is the empty space we just created. Step 3. Create the new partition, D drive. We're almost done. Now we just need to turn that unallocated space into a usable drive. Right-click on the black unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. This will open up the New Simple Volume wizard. Don't be intimidated, we're just going to click Next a few times. Welcome screen. First, just click Next. Specify volume size. It will automatically use all the space we just created, so you don't need to change anything here. Click Next again. Assign drive letter. This is the fun part. You can assign it a drive letter. It usually defaults to D, which is perfect. Let's stick with that and click Next. Format partition. Now we need to format the drive. Make sure the file system is set to NTFS, which is standard for Windows. Under Volume Label, you can give your new drive a name. I'll call mine Sari Rempa Rempa. It's also a good idea to leave Perform a Quick Format checked. Click Next. Finally, you'll see a summary screen. Just click Finish, and that's it. You'll see the black bar has now turned into a blue bar with your new drive letter and name. It might take a few seconds to format. Now for the big reveal. Open up your File Explorer, and there it is. Your brand new D drive, ready for all your documents, games, and photos. You've successfully and safely partitioned your hard drive. Now you can keep your personal files separate from your Windows system files, which makes everything much more organized and easier to manage if you ever need to reinstall Windows. If this tutorial helped you out, please give this video a big thumbs up and consider subscribing for more simple tech tips. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.